Hello everyone. Welcome to Prep Future Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this practical series on informatic practices with Python and Pandas. Before beginning our next practical, just a small suggestion. For better visibility and understanding, switch to full screen mode while watching the video through laptop or desktop. And if watching through mobile phones, watch in landscape mode and turn on the captions. So let's begin with our practical number 7 on data handling series. In this practical, we will write a program to create a series object population to store population of 10 different metrocities and display the population that are more than 20 lakh. So I have this data with me. So let's begin with the practical. Open your browser, go to Google Chrome, then just simply type Google Colab and click on this link. Then open Colab, then new notebook. Then first rename this file. This is our practical number 7. So here we write practical number 7. Then I will simply copy this. I will simply copy this program here and go back to our web browser and just paste it here. So since this is a comment, so and it's a more than one line, so I will just put a triple quote here in the beginning and then in the end. So it will become in red color. So that means it is a comment. So once it is done, then I will move to. So now first import pandas as PD. Then we have to create a dictionary. Create a dictionary with metrocities as keys and their population as values. In order to do this, first I will write the population data. So I'm just simply, I will start the bracket. I will simply copy and paste it from here. You can do this, just go to your description, copy the whole data, that is city and the population, copy it and just paste it. So you can do the same just by going to the description, copy the data from there and just paste. This is our data. So I will just place them neatly so that there is no unnecessary gaps and other things. So I will go through each one of them just to avoid any unnecessary gaps. So this is all done. We can put a end bracket here. So now we have our we have created a dictionary with metrocities as keys and their population as values. Now next step is create a PANDAS series from the dictionary. We can write a population series here. Population series equal to pd dot series capital S. Then I will simply put this population data, just copy it from here in order to make avoid any mistakes or errors. Just copy and paste as it is. Once it is done, then our next step will be to filter cities with population greater than 20 lakhs or 2 million. So we can just write large cities with equal to population series, then population series, and it should be greater than 2 million. So I will just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 zeros will be there. Then again, just print cities as a single inverted comma or double inverted comma. It's up to you with the population. Greater than 2 million. Then print large cities. Let's execute our program. So shift plus enter. So it is correctly reconnecting. That it is initializing. Now it's done. So we have got one error here. There is a syntax error. So let's see. So here is the population then series. So we have to go to check here. So here it is underlined. So population gets underscore series. Just press shift enter again. So series with data population greater than this. Then we have got mm, okay. So we are not getting the correct thing. So we have to just go back and just check whether it is all fine or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have put 7 zeros here. So I will just eliminate one and I will run this program again. So here we cities with the population greater than 20 lakh or 2 million is here. So these are the four cities: New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston, and with their respective population. So in this code, the population data dictionary contains metrocities as keys and their corresponding population as values. The pd.series function is used to create a pandas object named population underscore series using this dictionary. The next step is to filter the cities with population greater than 20 lakh using Boolean indexing. The line large underscore cities equal to population series population Then that is more than 20 lakh, creates a new series containing only the cities with a population greater than 20 lakh. Finally, the code prints the metro cities with a population greater than 20 lakh or 2 million. So that's all in the practical number 7. We will meet in the next practical. Thank you for attending.